Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It's a pleasure to see everybody here on Monday, May 3rd. We've got a new month and a ton of exciting news as well, and also some new all-time highs, some other breaking new news as well. So we're going to get right down into it. But before we do, a big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. If you haven't already, check us out on latoken.com to hear more on what I'm about to go through, along with checking out VCTV after this today, where we bring investors from around the world to break down these topics I'm about to run through as well. All right, let's get into it. Blockchain and Crypto Today, May 3rd, Monday. Here we go. Ethereum has crossed an all-time high. It was shattering all-time high records over the entire weekend, and today has surpassed $3,100, and continuing to rise as well. So congratulations to the entire Ethereum community on that new all-time high, because it also sent DeFi, total value locked, TVL, to the moon with it, with TVL resting right around $72 billion. Now go back year to date, as we're continuing to discuss here on Blockchain and Crypto. Year to date, DeFi, we were just over $900 million. Here we are a year later and on our way close towards $100 billion. So congratulations to everybody in the DeFi and Ethereum communities as well. Next up, CME Group has launched micro Bitcoin futures, smaller size derivative contracts, opening the door for a broader customer base. The micro Bitcoin futures are 1/10 the size of one Bitcoin and will be settled in cash. Now, this was actually first revealed by CME back in March and teased earlier at the end of 2020, but it has now fully been released as well. So exciting news on that. Following crypto bank SBIA has announced today that it has added the support for three DeFi tokens: Uniswap, Synthetics, and Urine Finance. This means that SBIA clients can now trade and custody those tokens with the bank. They will also be able to access these tokens across the bank's investment solutions, including customized and active managed client portfolios as well. All right. Next up, DCG, or Digital Currency Group, the parent company of Grayscale, plans to buy an additional 557 million shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Now, this is run by Grayscale and also, again, owned by DCG as the parent. This would bring DCG's total investment in the trust from 193 million as of April 30th, go back a handful of days, to now, today, $750 million. Huge lean in on the Bitcoin Trust by DCG there. Mogo, a fintech company that works with digital payments, for those who may not be familiar, and is also traded on the NASDAQ, has allocated part of its cash reserves to buy Ethereum, specifically 146 ETH worth. Now, we've only seen a handful of companies come out publicly and announce their Ethereum purchases. Now, we talked earlier in the year about Mietu out of Asia that had done a very big purchase, and now we have Mogo and a few others that are making these efforts as well. And Mogo, the company, had previously put Bitcoin on its balance sheet, and now again has shifted into adding Ethereum. They plan to put about 5% of their cash reserves in this investment portfolio they're building around cryptocurrencies as well. And next up, a fifth-year forward for Toronto FC of the Major League Soccer, or MLS, has now become the latest professional athlete to convert a portion of their salary into Bitcoin as well. So we're continuing to see that as a growing trend. And lastly, congratulations to Secret Network, a layer 1 blockchain that features privacy-preserving smart contracts, again, for those who may not be aware, on their recent fundraising as well. That's the quick rundown for today. Much more to come, as it is Monday. It is a new month, and let's see what else comes out later today. So with that, this is your episode of Blockchain and Crypto Today. Follow me on Twitter at Kyle Ellicott and on all social medias to hear more on today's news and much more around the industry until tomorrow's episode of Blockchain and Crypto Today. Also check us out on LATOKEN.com for more, along with VCTV as we break this all down with investors from around the world. And I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Everyone have a great day. Again, big shout out and thank you to LATOKEN and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Take care, everybody. Bye.